Today I'm going to show you how to filter in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful when you're working with large datasets and need to focus on specific information without scrolling through everything manually. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and workspaces are displayed. Now that you're on your homepage, take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to add a filter feature. This could be any sheet you're currently working with, whether it's a project tracker, inventory list, or task management sheet. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open it up. With your sheet now open, look towards the top of your screen for the filter icon. You can either click on this icon directly, or you might see the word filter displayed as a text option depending on your view. Click on it to begin setting up your filter conditions. At this point, you'll notice a field where you can input a name for your filter. This step is completely optional, but naming your filters can be helpful if you plan to create multiple filters for the same sheet. It makes them easier to identify and switch between later on. Now comes the important part, creating your filter condition. First, you'll need to select a field from your sheet. For this example, let's say I select the status column as my field. This tells Smartsheet which column you want to apply filtering logic to. Next, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose your filtering criteria. In this case, I'm going to choose contains as my condition type. This is perfect when you're looking for entries that include specific text or values. After selecting contains, you'll see a value field appear. Here's where you input what you're actually searching for. For this demonstration, I'm typing in low stock as my value. This means Smartsheet will now display only the rows where the status column contains the words low stock. If your filtering needs are more complex, you have the option to add more conditions. Simply look for an option to add another condition and repeat the process. You can layer multiple filters to narrow down your results even further, making your data much easier to work with. Once you're satisfied with your filter setup, click the Apply button. Smartsheet will immediately process your conditions and display only the rows that match your criteria. Give it a moment to load if you're working with a particularly large sheet. And there you have it. Your Smartsheet is now filtered to show exactly what you need, making your workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.